Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to resize in Adobe Express. To resize an image in Adobe Express is a straightforward way. So here's how you do it. Open up your Adobe Express application, and once you open it up, go ahead and upload the image you want to resize. Press the blue plus button at the bottom right corner and then tap on Upload Media at the bottom. Click on Photo Library from the menu and select a photo you would like to resize. After choosing the photo, click on Done at the top right corner and the image will be taken to your timeline. Once you add the image onto your timeline, go ahead and look for the Resize option at the bottom and tap on it. You should see a menu with options. You can choose from preset size for popular social media platforms or simply enter a custom dimension at the top of the screen. Enter the width, height, and unit from the top menu and click on Resize at the bottom right. To choose from the preset of popular social media platforms, simply go ahead and choose one of the options under Recommended or Social Media. If you are using the video for Instagram Story, you can tap on Instagram Story option. Similarly, if you are using this image for Facebook post, make sure you choose Facebook post, and so on. After you select one of the options from the display, click on the Resize button at the bottom right. If you want to create a duplicate and resize, make sure to click on Duplicate and Resize. Right after you do that, you will be able to resize your picture for the selected platform. You can also manually resize your picture. Simply tap on your picture from the preview screen and drag the handles of the images and resize it according to your preference. Resize it manually according to your choice, and then after you do that, you can save your image like you normally do. By following these steps, you can easily resize your images to fit your desired dimension in Adobe Express. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.